Hey guys, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make slime just with glue and Tide. And we're going to see if this is a fail. I did one. Let me just get it. This is like a stretchy slime. And I put like rubber bands in this, but I'm not going to put rubber bands in the, oh my gosh, in the ones I'm going to make. Something just happened and I didn't know. So, the ingredients you will need, you can use clear glue, which I'm using clear glue and Tide. Oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna pour it in like, just a little bit of glue. And you just need all, like, I don't think you can see that. It's like clear, so you're not gonna be able to see it. And, then I'm gonna pour in a little bit, like, you're just gonna need a little bit of Tide, and that's it, because I don't really want to waste my Tide, because I actually bought it today. And then I'm gonna, there's something happening. I was about to make slime, but I wanted to show you. So now I'm gonna start mixing. Oh my god, this is actually making it into slime. I will show you right now. It's getting sticky. Super sticky. Let's get started. I'm actually mixing and mixing and mixing, and now I'm gonna show you with my hands how this slime is. Well, you could actually hold it. I think it's missing a little bit of glue, so if you don't mind, I'm gonna just add a little bit of more glue, because it's like a lot of washier in that, so I'm mixing it and mixing it. It's getting more prettier. I didn't use a color because I just wanted like that. I just wanted clear what she is. So this one actually does work, and we gotta give it some time for it can make like the other one, like this stretchy one. I put rubber bands in this one. Pretty cool. But those were just my two ingredients. Just two ingredients. Mixed it. Yes. I'm gonna start mixing it. I'm mixing. I'll show y'all. This is the slime. It is stretchy. You can see that. It is stretchy, but it's not like gooey. Right now I'm gonna make gooey slime, but I'm gonna put it back because I don't really want to make them. Here's the slime. That is so gross. I'm gonna go wash my hands because look at my hands. Look, I was just sticking. So I am back, and I'll be right back. Try making slime with almost glue, but white and Tide. Just same, but just white glue. Let me just open it. So, I'm gonna just pour it into this bowl. I'm just using a bowl, but most of y'all use different stuff to do this one. But me, I'm just gonna use a bowl to make my slime. I'm using just a bowl. Dayla, don't touch it. That's like doesn't make sense. Now that I did that, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this one because I don't really want to waste more glue. So there we go. This is my little niece right here. If y'all can see her. Now I'm just gonna pour some Thai. Ooh! She's like that always. I always make videos. She's always like that. I don't know who's here. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing. I'm just using this to mix. I don't know what y'all use, but I'm just using Tide. But it's actually making pretty good. But it's white. I'm gonna add some paint. Let me just add this because I'm gonna add some blue paint. Dayla Marie Correa. Sorry. I'm out, so I'm gonna add like a pretty color. Just give me a minute. My color's gonna be purple. This is actually just to make slime, but it was not my idea to put this color, but I saw everybody's putting color in them, so my idea was to put color in them too. Jayla. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna just clean myself with this towel because you don't probably want to look at my fingers. Now I'm gonna mix. It's getting pretty good, but I don't really know. That's where I could get a little bit better purplish. Okay, Jayla. Well, this didn't actually fail, but it actually didn't fail. It's actually slimy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this, put it in this baggie. It's not Ziploc, but it's just a baggie that I bought. I just found it somewhere. This is actually just a little bit of slime, so I'm gonna pour it out everywhere. And that's it for my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If I get 25 thumbs up, I will pour a juice or soda on my face. Thanks for watching.